Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Jamaluddin, and so today I will explain a little bit about the leg 4, which is we can show the output from the task that given to us. So basically, I will show my screen first. So basically, as we know, leg 4 is about the internet domain name system, and we just follow the procedure from the lab given. And before we do this kind of exercise, we need to install the ISC on the Binary. And after we install, we can use these functions on the command prompt. So basically, we use D and then ulearn.utem.edu.my, which is the name of the website, and we can see we can get the IP address of this website, which is 103.198.52.31 for the IP address, and then we can get the expression time for this record, which is 2661. This is based on the D, and then we know that NS is the function to return a list of a domain authoritative of the name server. So basically, this is the step that we do, which is we just put dig at first, and then we put the website, and then after we enter, we can get all of this detailed information, and then from this detailed information, we just fill in the form of the question. So that's from my part. Thank you.
Okay, so then for my part, I represent So for the question number 4, we need to make the comparison between the host to server in the query time terms. So over here we can see, okay, in the host to server, the query time is bigger than the client to server. That is 217 with the 38. So why this happen? Because okay, we can see at the host to server, the message size that received is larger, that is 320. Then the client to server message size received, that is 134. So that is the reason, and that is the comparison that I can do from the query time. So then for the question number 5 about the understanding and the hierarchy. So firstly, we need to using the dig.ns in the command prompt. Okay, so this will be pop out. Okay, and then the question is, why does this particular command return the name of the root name server? So the answer is there. Root name servers is the list that is possible known about the certain domain. That basically we can understand that the root server has the connection with the domain that what we want to show. Just like the question number 6, there is we use the ulearn.utem.edu.my, that is the domain, so that will show the connection between the root server with the domain. So the next explanation about the question number 6, my partner will be continue. Okay, Azim, you can start.
Okay, Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Muhammad Azim Hamzi Azhar. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, so guys, the question is ask to use dig to ask one of the server the address of your LAN that you turn to the MR without recursion. So what command do you use to do this? Okay, basically for this question I am using this command, which is dig alliance a.root servers.net ulearn.utem.edu.my and plus no recurs. So this command function is to ask one of the root servers to address the address of ulearn.uturn.du.my without recursion. Okay, so go to the question number 7. The question number 7 asks, it is unlikely that these servers actually know the answer, so they will refer you to a server, list of server that might know more. Go to the hierarchy around the root without recursion, so we will refer manually and refer you to the item. Okay, so basically in this number 7 question, we refer to the first list of this in this hierarchy, which is a.nick.my. So we just use the address and put it here to replace the root servers initially. So after we get this, after we use this address, we check again about the first list in the hierarchy, which is d.mynick.central nic _s. So we just take this address and then put it in this dig function, this dig command, and then in this part, the first list of hierarchy is utem01.uturn.edu.my. So we could close. So finally we take this address and put it in the command, and then it will show the correct address to ulearn.uturn.edu.my, which is 103.198.52.31. Okay, that is all from me. Thank you, sir.